Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. You join us at Chicksands Bike Park today for my birthday bash. A few of us today, so it should be good fun. And we've got mini bike racing coming later. Crack on. I'm not sure. So Rafa's going to lead us into the big double at the bottom of, is it Snake Run or Shark Fight?
No, Snake Run.
Snake Run, big double. I'm scared. Right, round one, dual slalom. We've got John versus Raf. Yeah, we go on go. Yeah, not before, you go on go. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Right guys, do you want to just get it over and done with? Jesus Christ. 3, 2, 1, go.
Amazing.
That's a no from me.
That was brilliant.
3, 2, 1, go.
Jesus! No! Oh!
Who got that?
That was a draw.
1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes. So you won. I did. They are oiled.
We oiled your brakes, Kev, don't worry.
Yeah, I oiled the rims.
Okay.
But you're running.
Okay.
Right, you boys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Three, 2, 1, go. Kev's going for a big jump, watch.
1, go.
Sound like it's going to break, that did. Did something break? Something went with a massive crack.
That was my front end.
I think your forks might have been.
Yeah. Are you both ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Right, now we're doing the award ceremony for the second year of Gav's birthday bash mini bike racing. Wasn't mini bikes last year, but it is this year. More fun. So, let's crack on. Cool. Right, in third place, come over here, Raph. Third place, Raph. Woo! Cool.
Don't eat it.
Second place,
Rusty Bullet.
The Rusty Bullet.
Kevin.
Oh, it's gonna snap.
Well done, Kev.
Cheers. Well done, Kevin.
No.
You've got to take the foil off
And
first.
then someone's going to have to give me mine because I won again.
Yeah. Not like setting your own races up to win.
I know. Terrible.
You earned it this year though, again mate, you did ride well. Well done Gav, happy birthday.
Yes. And now we're going to celebrate
With a donut.
because
Quick.
Jim's brought us all.
Come on, hurry up then.
Yes.
So just get them open.
Get them open then.
Open?
Open, just crack on, let's have donut.
That's donut.
Winner. Ready for a donut.
We can take these.
Get in there.
Cheers dude.
Cheers, mate.
No, we're not.
Rafa, Jim Bob.
Thank you very much.
The end.